Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Oh, okay. So first card out is trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. Second card is wedding. The situation involves marriage. Okay. Last card is retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. Alright, Leo. So, I'm picking up a few things. Okay, so listen. This is telling me that somebody that you guys have been dealing with for a while, off and on, or if you were in a relationship with this person, you guys are definitely not together right now. This person could live at a distance from you, but this individual, they broke your trust. And I feel like they're trying to figure out how to come back in because they do want to fix things with you. This person is thinking about long-term commitment because this is someone, or they see you as someone that they would want to marry in the future. That's one. Another thing is I'm seeing here that some of you guys are hurt because either you just found out or you know that the person that you were dealing with is married. And yeah, that person did break your trust because it could have been a situation to where you guys didn't know that this person was married or they were engaged or whatever the case is. And so this is why you two are separated right now. This is why you guys are distant. But yeah, I'm going to just stick with those two is what I'm seeing for right now. I just keep staring at the card. Sorry, I know I'm being quiet. Just give me a second. I'm just looking. But yeah, I mean, those are like top two, what I'm seeing here. So yeah, I guess let's just hop in to see how this is going to play out for the collective. Okay, Spirit, general spread from our Leo. Okay. Overall energy, bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Wands reversed. So this is telling me that somebody, I feel like this is the person that messed up. They want to rush in to give you some type of truth, but then at the same time they're talking themselves out of it, and it's like they don't know what to do. They don't know what to say to you. They don't know how to even approach you at this point. But it looks like somebody's made a decision. Okay, this could be you. Maybe you guys don't see things improving with this person, which is why you just went ahead and cut them off. You're tired of the nonsense. Yeah, because see, the seeds that were planted, maybe you guys are looking at them like it's not going to grow, like nothing is going to come out of this. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me about the Queen of Cups reverse. Yeah, so this is telling me, yeah, you guys are upset the way things played out, and it's like you guys are tired of opening yourself up to this person. You're tired of expressing yourself to this individual, but there is communication coming in really fast because somebody's been thinking. It could be from a Virgo, but I definitely feel like somebody has been doing a lot of soul searching, reflecting. These were lessons that they had to go through, and so I feel like this is the person that messed up. They're wanting to come back to speak their truth to you. Yeah, see, they're thinking about the past, everything that they put you through. Tell me more. But somebody's not taking a leap. So it's definitely the person that messed up. They want to fix things with you, but they're not taking a leap right now. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. I feel like they want to have stability with you. And so they're coming back to give you this offer that you deserve. Maybe somebody is waiting for some type of news about money as well. That's not for everybody. Yeah, somebody's waiting on some type of financial news. Let me see. Tell me more. Somebody's not happy. Clarify the Sun in reverse. Somebody's not happy, but it's like they're going to have the confidence to come back. But see, they're arguing. I feel like it's not so much with you. I feel like you guys had your disagreements, whatever, in the past. But I feel like it's a lot of conflict with outside people. That's kind of what the energy I've been picking up all day with all the signs. There's like a lot of like outside people that's been chiming in or like telling this person what to do, what not to do. And it's like if this person comes back and stands their ground to give you an offer, it's going to cause conflict with other people. And I feel like that's why that person isn't taking a leap just yet. More so down for me. Yeah, this person definitely realized that they were being childish and immature because, see, they ghosted you in the past. They left you out in the cold. And I feel like you guys are just to the point where you've been trying to move on and healing from that situation. But see, it's crossed with the Knight of Swords. So it's like there was some type of harsh communication that came out. I feel like definitely you, Leo, because y'all tongue is a little powerful, okay? So I feel like y'all could have hurt this person with your words, but at the same time, this person has a hard time speaking up. So it's like when they do speak up, it comes off harsh. But I also do feel like they do want to rush in because they want to speak their truth to you, but at the same time, they're not. See, this person is planning. They definitely want to see you, Leo. Okay. They definitely want to see you. They definitely want a new opportunity with you, but at the same time, they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. There you are, Leo. You could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I just feel like you guys just aren't being positive about this person or positive about this situation, and this is why you guys are not putting in the work to make anything work with this person. You're done. You're tired. You know, and I feel like somebody wants to balance things out. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but in order to balance things out, somebody needs to remove themselves from a third-party situation, and this is why they retreat from you. See? Somebody could be married. Somebody definitely could be in some type of committed relationship, but whatever it is, it's like this person is, I feel like they're trying to break free from this marriage or commitment or whatever they have themselves into. And it's like they do want to give you an offer, they want to be with you, but now they're unsure if that's going to happen due to the fact of everything that they put you through. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but yeah, somebody's going through a transformation here because they know that if they want this new beginning, they have to cut out the BS. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but there's definitely love here. There's definitely love here. There's a connection, but I feel like this person isn't moving forward towards you right now due to the fact that they cause a lot of drama, and they feel like if they were to come back, you're going to reject them. And so they made a decision. They are going to come back towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. This is a serious offer of commitment. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But somebody wants things to improve within this situation here. Tell me more. Yeah, but see, this person is scared. They're scared that if they give you this offer, you are going to reject it because you feel like it's not a secure offer. You don't know if you can trust them because they kept stabbing you in the back in the past, and you're tired of dealing with it. You know, you don't see yourself having a happy home with this person. But see, somebody's stuck at a crossroads trying to make a decision. And they're scared to make this decision. But some type of truth is coming out. Or this could be that somebody is scared to get out of some type of legal situation or a legal contract. Could be dealing with a Capricorn, and I also do have a Libra here. Tell me more. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Somebody had to walk away from a situation because see, somebody was being sneaky in the past. And it's like, you guys are looking at them like they need to clean up their act, but this person is moving extremely slow to do it. Tell me more. Yeah, they're worried. Tell me more. They're worried because at one point they had you waiting. And see, now they're getting ready to rush back in because, see, they want to balance things out with you. So they're going to give you the truth. Tell me more about the Tower reverse, please. They're going to give you the truth about some type of third-party situation here that broke your heart. I feel like they want to apologize about that. See, there's a Magician. So, yeah, it's like this person is trying to remain positive because they do want to win your heart back. And I feel like they're coming out of being frustrated, but at the same time, they're scared they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you because you're no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into the situation to fix it. Somebody could be dealing with an Earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but again, you guys are just focusing on yourselves. And the way the Eight of Cups just came out is like, you guys definitely walked away from this person, but I am picking up this person doesn't want you to walk away from them. It's like they're trying to come back in because they want to fix things. See? Back and forth with the Four of Cups. It's like they want to come back in to give you this offer, right? But they are scared that if they give you this offer, they're going to reject you just like, excuse me, you're going to reject them just like they rejected you in the past. And see, yeah, this person was like kind of in limbo in the past. They were having a hard time making a decision. And see, now it's like they know what they want, but they're moving slow. They're taking it day by day to come towards you. See, they want to bring balance to the situation. Clarify the Six of Pentacles. See, it's another 6. See what I'm saying? They're going to come and they want to bring balance to the situation. They definitely want a victory with you, Leo. Could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, this person is upset the way things are playing out. And they're keeping things to themselves as far as like how they're feeling, what they want from you. They're saying that they're not using their intuition because, see, this person wants stability with you. They want it all, but there is somebody here in the way. They're trying to make sure that that doesn't happen. Look at that. I have 2 10s. Oh, yes. I love it. So it's like whatever karmic cycle that was taking place is definitely coming to an end. It's completed. It's done. Over. Finito. It's gone. Okay? And so there's going to be like a new cycle that's starting that's really good. And I feel like whoever was confused, which I feel like it was the person that was doing you wrong or vice versa, whatever. Whoever was the one that was, in the wrong, this person is no longer confused. They know what they want and they're gonna go after it. They're coming out of their head. See, there's an offer here. There's definitely an offer coming, but you guys don't know if you can trust this offer. See, this person was feeling stuck or trapped in a situation, and it could have had something to do with money. They were fearing the loss of money or paying out money, but it's like they're speaking up and they're gonna have the strength to come towards you. To see, somebody is getting out of a situation. Leo, you could be dealing with another Leo. If not, I just feel like you guys just have a peace of mind about it. You know, with however this plays out, like you guys had to walk away from this person in order for you to heal and move on and have that peace of mind, have that clarity. See, and this person wants to rush back in to talk to you, but they keep talking themselves out of it. And it's like they're trying to have hope that things can play out. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but they keep thinking about that third party that they had you in, and this is why they're trying to decide what to do. And see, they're scared. They're frustrated. They can't sleep because, see, they want to be with you. They want this to work, but see, in the past, they were being a player. And it's just like they don't know how to even fix this with you. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see what I'm saying? There's 2 people here. Y'all know how I feel about court cards. Even though there's 2 men, it could be 2 women. Take it however it fits. But this person was basically trying to balance things out between you and someone else. And it's like you walked away from, you're like, I'm not tolerating this. And if they went to that other person, they're realizing that was the biggest mistake of their life. So now they're trying to figure out how to get themselves out of that situation to come back to fix things with you. Because they don't want you to cut them off. See, you dropped the situation, but at the end of the day, I feel like they're dropping it. They're definitely dropping whoever they were dealing with or whatever behaviors. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So this person doesn't want you to look back at the past. And it's like they're coming out of this energy of being sad, and they definitely want a new beginning with you. I feel like they did learn their karmic lessons, and so they're getting ready to move forward. They definitely want to move forward with you. Tell me more. See, they're going to come and give you the truth, Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. But they definitely want to give you the truth about how they're feeling. Any questions that you have, they're just ready to put it all out. But they are scared of rejection. So this is something that they got to work out on their own. They need to figure this out. See, because they're not talking. I told you, it's like they're not talking because you cut them off. Somebody is definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But you can't make this up. This person wants a commitment. This person definitely wants to fix this. So, Leo, you have to leave me some comments, okay? I mean, that was straightforward. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. All right, Leos, I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.